First thing first, you need to sign up for an extended Shopify trial. You can go to shopify.com and get this extended trial. Or, if you want to support this channel, you can use our affiliate link which is given in the video description. Once you create your account, you'll be taken to the dashboard. You can manage your entire store from here. At the center, you'll see this checklist. We can simply follow along with the checklist and setup and launch our online store. On the left-hand side, you'll see all the options to manage your store. Next, we need to install the Shrine theme on our store. To do that, we need to visit the Shrine theme website, which is shrinesolutions.com. Here, you can click on this Buy Now button. This will show you different tiers of the Shrine theme. You only need to pay once, and you'll have lifetime access to the theme. I personally recommend going ahead with the Pro version, as it contains every feature of the theme. Others are also good, but they come up with some limitations. For now, I will go ahead with Shrine Theme Pro. This is the product page where you can get more info about the theme. Next, I will simply click on this Add to Cart button, and the theme will be added here. Along with the theme, you can also get a lifetime support for just an extra $20, which is not a bad deal at all. Next, we also have a discount code section here. Here, you can enter this coupon code, which is showing on your screen. And as soon as I did that, it has taken me to the checkout page. And as you can see, I have got an extra 15% discount on my order. Now, I only need to provide these info and then make the payment, and I will get access to the theme. Next, we need to visit this page. I will leave the link in the video description. Here, you'll need to register an account. Simply enter your email that you used during the purchase, and then enter your password and confirm. Next, you'll see this welcome message. Now click on this Next button. Here, we need to enter our license key. You'll get the license key in your email after the purchase. Simply copy it and paste it here. Then click on this Add Key button. Okay, the next step is to whitelist our Shopify store. This is just an extra security step to keep your store protected. You can follow this detailed tutorial if you want to. But for now, I will give you a quick walkthrough on this. Here, we basically need to enter our Shopify store link. To get that, head over to your Shopify store and then go to Settings on the bottom left. Next, click on this domain option. Here, you will see your store's default Shopify subdomain. We only need to copy this domain and then paste it here on the Shrine dashboard. Make sure to paste this on the third section. One thing to note here is that this is our Shopify subdomain. Once you buy your own domain name and connect it with Shopify, you'll need to enter that domain in the main URL section. Since I only have this Shopify domain at this moment, I will have to paste it in the main domain section as well. I know it might seem a bit confusing, so make sure to watch this short tutorial which is given here. That way you'll have a better understanding. Okay, I will click on this Submit button now. This will give me the option to download the latest version of the Shrine theme. Once the download is complete, you only need to go back to the Shopify dashboard and then go to the Online Store option on the left. By default, the current theme of the store is set to Dawn theme. Now I will click on this Add Theme button and then upload the theme zip file which I just downloaded.
A few moments later.
Once the theme is uploaded, we need to click on this Customize button. This will take us to the theme editor. You'll see this error message here. To resolve it, we need to go back to the Shrine dashboard. Here, click on this Copy Token button. Next, go back to the Shopify dashboard and then click on this little icon on the left. Now, go to Authentication and then simply paste the token. This will give us complete access to the Shrine theme, and now we can easily customize each and every section of the theme. Just make sure to hit the Save button to save all the changes. And then you can also click on this Publish button, which will set the theme as the main theme of the store,